If you want to make a full-screen TikTok video in CapCut PC, this video will walk you through the exact steps in a simple and fast way. Whether you are editing a talking head video, a vlog, or a short clip for TikTok, setting the right aspect ratio and framing is the key to making your video look professional and fill the screen properly. So if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy editing guides. Let's get started. First, open your project in CapCut PC. Once your project is loaded, look at the preview window at the top and find the ratio option. This is one of the most important settings because it controls the shape of your video. Click ratio, then choose 9:16. This is the standard vertical format for TikTok, and it gives you that full screen mobile look that performs best on the platform. After that, add your video to the timeline if it is not already there. Now click on the video clip in the timeline so it becomes selected. When the clip is selected, you can adjust how it fits inside the 9:16 canvas. If your video was originally recorded in landscape, you may see black bars on the sides or top and bottom. To fix that, resize the video and reposition it so it fills the full frame. You can use the fill option if CapCut gives you that choice, or manually zoom in until the video covers the screen correctly. Just be careful not to zoom in too much because you still want to keep the main subject clearly visible. This is where framing matters. Move the video around if needed so the subject stays centered and nothing important gets cropped out. If you are editing a talking video, make sure the face is not too close to the edge. If it is a product clip, make sure the product stays fully visible. The goal is to make the video feel natural in the vertical format, not stretched or awkwardly cut off. Once you are happy with the placement, preview the video from start to finish. Watch carefully to make sure it fills the screen correctly and there are no unwanted black bars or empty spaces. This quick preview can save you from exporting a video that looks wrong on TikTok. If anything looks off, go back and adjust the scaling or position until it looks clean and full screen. When everything looks right, click Export in the top right corner. Now choose your preferred resolution and frame rate. For TikTok, a high-quality export usually looks best, so pick a setting that keeps the video sharp while still being easy to upload. Once your export settings are ready, click Export again to finish the process. CapCut will render the video, and after exporting, it may show an option to share it directly to TikTok. If that option appears, you can post it straight from CapCut without needing to upload the file manually. That makes the workflow even faster and easier, especially if you are creating content often. And that is how you make a full-screen TikTok video in CapCut PC. It is really just about setting the ratio to 9:16, fitting the video properly inside the frame, and exporting in the right quality. If this helped you out, please hit like and subscribe for more CapCut and TikTok editing tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.